Hello, this video is going to take you through how to create a new solution using the solution wizard as opposed to just a blank solution, as you can see here. So the first step would be to go into the solution wizard, name your solution, choose your SharePoint site where this is going to be saved and where you can access the data and so on. Sign in. Choose your central site for any sort of SAP connections. Add your swim lanes, so this can be from any of these different types. We're going to use a person from role, so you can choose a group from your SharePoint site and then name it for the swim lane. Let's add another one more person from role, group 2 once again, and this one can be named director. Alright, so now we can add data connections. So one option is to use a database such as a SQL server. I don't have one on hand to show you, but once you enter your server and choose your database, you'll be able to choose a table from which to import your data. However, I can show you how to import a SharePoint library or list. So let's take a look at this SharePoint site. And you can choose your library or list and choose the fields to import. And there we go. We have our first data connection. So now you can also import transaction or query scripts, which will automatically generate forms, and that's your data fields for you. So you can choose a file that will fulfill that. Let's take a look at this one and import that. You'll be able to enter a description and a group name. Let's just name this demo. And use your login information and so on. And there we go. And here we are. This is your new solution. So from the transaction script, a form was automatically generated along with your web service connection and even the buttons to fulfill that. In your workflow, you don't have any stuff here besides this start and end in the originator swim lane, but the swim lanes have been created for the ones that you created back there in the wizard, which in fact was the same window that you'll see if you create more swim lanes here. And you can view the properties and so on of these swim lanes in this sidebar. Now, before I finish this video, I want to show you how to save these solutions. So you can save it as a solution XML document, generally to a workflow site, but also you can download it. So we can save it, choose our file name and so on. And let's overwrite that. Let's take a look at how it saves. So we can go into lists on our SharePoint site, go into Composer Solutions, and right here you can see where our solution is saved as an XML document. Now there is also versioning this, so you can take a look at this and look at the version history and see, for example, this latest version was just saved less than a minute ago, and we have that. Alright, now you can also open these solutions both from desktop where you've saved it as a Composer XML document and also from this workflow site. So if we choose our site where we've saved this, we can take a look back and find this exact file and open that up, and there we go. The next video will go through how to import other types of files, and I look forward to seeing you then.